Last problem, 18. We're supposed to go backwards now. We're given the graph, and now we have to generate the piecewise function here. So I see two pieces. So this means that I have a break at +3, which means that I have a part, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself some space. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to focus on the break here at +3. Okay. So this means that I'm going to have a situation where I am less than 3. And let's see, those are both solid holes. Now that actually is not a function. That's kind of a problem. One of them should be empty in order for this to be a function. Okay, I think the copier kind of messed up. But the other side will be greater than 3. And so what I'll have to do is make sure that one of these gets a bar. Okay, but I just can't tell on the function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume that that guy is the open one. Okay, so that means he's the closed one. So we'll do this. All right, we'll put the bar on this piece. Now this is a line, so that should be a y equals mx plus b. And this is a quadratic, so I should see an x squared or parentheses squared. All right, now looks like this is it's here at 2, so it's the parent function is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, that's what she normally does. The only thing is that she should be here, but because she shifted over to the right 2 and has not gone up or down, that means all I have is a shift to the right 2. Okay, we've talked about those shifts many times. She's only moved over to the right 2. That's it. And I only want the part that is less than 3. Everything else got erased. Normally she just would have kept going this way. Okay. Now for this line, what I've got to do is I have to extend him so that I can clearly see. It looks like he's got a slope of 1, +1. So it looks like if he were to extend, he would actually hit +2, and he'd have a slope of 1/1, and it would be positive. So he would be an x plus 2. But I only want the part that is greater than or equal to +3. So therefore, I have two pieces. All right, that's it. That's all I had to do. I just had to figure out the transformation. I had to figure out the graph of the line, and I needed to extend the line because I've only got a piece of it, and it's a little too far away from the y-intercept to figure this guy out. So I did have to extend it. It's very natural to do. You'll definitely want a ruler when you do this. Okay, but that's the test, and so I know I'm going to explain this tomorrow, but I will be making videos tomorrow for the supplement to this, which will be the shading stuff that we did. Okay. All right, so that is actually missing from this practice test. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there and give you those extra problems, and I'll be making videos tomorrow. All right, but I know I'm going to explain this. I'm looking for how to stop this thing. What do I push? Kids.